Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Now I will show you how cap discounts can protect your profits during major sale events. Canada Day is a huge opportunity for massive shopping traffic. However, unlimited discounts can quickly drain your profits if not managed effectively. The core problem is that uncapped discounts can directly impact your profit margins. As the cart size increases, so does the potential for significant profit loss. For example, 30% off was just capped at $150. This is simple and effective, right? But just implement a discount cap because you gain precise control over discounts, especially on larger orders. This ensures your Canada Day promotions remain highly profitable, preventing unexpected losses. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and you can add for any discount code. So I'm adding flat 20% off as my code here. I'm planning to give a 20% off code with a capping amount of 100. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond $100. Even if the 20% of the cart value is higher than 100, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 100 only. And you can also set your discount be applied to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now. In case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers. And you can also limit the usage of this code as limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Like if I'm giving 100 here means this discount will be available for 100 first users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can set some active dates like when should it start, your offer should start, the start time, start date, and end time. And those timings, like if you are planning to run your Canada Day sale on the 10 days before Canada Days or 1 month or week, then those timings and dates and all you can set up here. And you can also set your this code be combined with existing ones like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. After adding all the details, you can save the changes. Now let's check whether the code has been activated. Now you can see that our discount flat 20% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this in our online store. Now I'm trying to buy a product of worth $234. Now I'm adding my code flat 20 here. Now you can see that the 20% of 234, which is 46, has been applied successfully, and this user or this customer will be getting a 20% of their cart value as desired. And now let's test with some other products having a higher price. So I'm trying to buy this product. I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the 20% of 5,000 is greater than 100. But we have capped our discount amount at 100. So the customers will not be getting any amount which is greater than 100. Which means even if the cart value is higher, our cap amount make sure that the maximum amount of discount will be only limited to 100. So by using this cap discount whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smart way to stay generous without you giving away too much. So that's how you set up a 20% off with cap amount of $100 on your Canada Day sale. So while you're waiting for, grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.